Yeah, so we're going to keep it in Ohio on this one. Run it up. Katie Finessin. Let's go. Let's check this out, see what we got. Watch Jimmy ball on the video visuals. It's looking clean. Run it up, Rio. Okay, KD. Okay. Make sure y'all hit the description. Go to the original video. Drop comments. Hey, drop comments in the comment box right now. Okay. Hey, that beat hard. She sound dope on that beat too. Nigga try to raw up and glizzy knock him off. I come from the struggle, I ain't really have it all. You can tell that I good, clean, slow motion shots. Okay. Hey, women is winning right now. Women kind of got the game on lock right now. If you hot, if you a woman and you hot, I like the back and forth flow they did on here. I appreciate that. Niggas always talking down, but I be on my money shit. Fuck around with Katie, we gon' pull up with 100 clips. Not that cash, we don't do pay half for that front shit. Body bags and we do toe tags on that shit. I like the back and forth they did on here. That was real dope. Male and female. That shit go in. They got a lot of B-roll in here. Kind of gave it some flavor, so I can appreciate that too on the visual side. It just wasn't a whole bunch of random shots. They actually, you know, got scenes going on. Yeah. So we got Run It Up Rio, Katie Finessin. Make sure y'all hit the link in the description. Go to the original video. Fuck with it. Make sure y'all drop the likes on here. Make sure y'all subscribe to the page. Get the notifications so you get the videos first. Yeah. There go their Instagrams. Go ahead, holler at them. Overall video, I fucked with it. Yeah, I fucked with it overall. I'll give it a... overall video, I'll give it a 3 because they put some love into the concept. They ain't just shoot random back and forth shots, you know what I'm saying? They actually had, you know what I'm saying, scenes where they was doing things and some B-roll in there. So I'll give it an overall 3 out of 5. Let's rock with that. Subscribe to the page. Drop the links. Let me know what y'all want me to react to. And let's go.